Hello guys, okay, so in this video we are going to see another type of number which is as called as complex number. Okay, when we talk about the type of number, basically we have two parts of it. So types of number. We have two types. The first one we call it as a real part or real number. Or usually we are going to use the symbol of R. And the second one is what we call as a complex number. So this is a real number. And this is complex number. So we are going to discuss the second type of it, which is complex number. Alright. So the idea of the complex number actually comes from one of the things come from the solving quadratic equation like this. Let's say we try to solve x squared plus 9 equals to 0. So you can have a look into this part. X squared plus 9 equals to 0. So if we try to solve the value of x, we are going to bring the plus of 9 here to the other side, which is it become negative 9. Next, we are supposed to bring the power of 2. The power of 2 that we have here, we are going to bring it to the other side, so it becomes a square root. So we are supposed to get the square root of negative 9. So if you try to deal with the concept of real number, you can press your calculator. Basically, the answer will be undefined here. So you just write undefined for the final answer of it. So in order for us to catch or to get the answer for it, so the mathematician actually invented a new category of number. We call it as a complex number. So let us see what is actually the definition of complex number. So complex number is actually a number in form of z plus a plus bi, where z equals to a plus bi here is actually the form or how we write the complex number, where the a here is actually your real part and the bi here we call it as our imaginary part. And the value of I is equals to the square root of negative 1, or if you bring the square root to the other side, so it becomes power of 2. So you can just memorize either one, or I equals to square root of negative 1, or I power of 2 is equals to negative 1. So you can see the example of this. But before that, what we are going to learn in the complex number part here is basically we are going to deal with the operation of complex number. So when we talk about operation, we are going to deal with 4 operations here, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so here this is the way of how you deal with the addition. So if we have the 2z, let's say we have z1 equals to a plus with bi, and z2 is equals to c plus with bi. So if we want to add these two numbers together, okay, we are doing the addition. So what we are supposed to get, so basically we are going to replace the value of z1 into the a plus bi. So we are going to get here a plus with bi plus with the value of z2 here is equals to c plus di, so we are going to get here c plus with di. So then this is your real part, this is your real part, so just combine the real part together, so we are going to get here a plus with c. Okay, the middle here is always plus because the operation here is plus addition. We have the imaginary part, a and di, b and di, so we are going to get here b plus with d, and we are supposed to get I there as your factor. So this is your answer. You can see it, we are going to get a plus c plus b plus d, the same thing as what we got here. Okay, this is for if you try to do the addition in general. If you try to deal a subtraction in general, basically the same thing. This is your z1, this is your z2. So if you want to do subtraction, the operation here will be a minus there. So you just need to minus the real part with the real part. So real, so you get here the real part, and here this is your imaginary part. This is also your imaginary part. So this is basically your imaginary part. So you just need to categorize it into real part and imaginary part. So then here is always plus, but you are going to change the operation of minus somewhere here. Okay, so this is for addition and subtraction. We are going to see the example of addition and subtraction before we move into the multiplication and division. So let us go to the example right now. Okay, now we are going to see the example of addition and subtraction. So let us try to see the first question. So this is an example of addition because we have plus at the middle of it. So now the value of your z1 is equals to 3 plus with 5i. And the value of your z2 equals to 4 minus with 2i. So if you want to calculate the z1 plus with z2, what we are supposed to get, we are going to get here 3 plus with 5i plus with 4 minus 2i. So now let us try to divide it into two categories, which is the real part. So your real part here is 3 and the real part here is 4. So you're going to get it as 3 plus 4. The middle is always plus. So this is your imaginary part and this is also your imaginary part. So you are going to write it as 5 plus with the negative 2. And you are going to factorize the value of I. So you are going to get the answer will be 7 plus with 3i, which is, I already told you that the value of z is equals to a plus bi. So you can say that the real part is 7 and the imaginary part is 3. So you can just stop there once you get the form of a plus bi. Okay, this is when we deal with the addition. Now let us move into the second part, which is this is a subtraction question. Why we know this is a subtraction? Because we have a minus at the middle of two numbers there. So basically, if you want to calculate for the 3 plus with 5i minus with 4 minus 2i, so basically the same thing happened where we are going to deal with a real part together with real part. So you are going to minus it. So 3 minus with 4. At the middle here is always plus. Please do remember that. And you will get the imaginary part and also imaginary part here. So it will be 5 minus with minus 2. And that's I there. So it will be negative 1 plus with 7i. This is your final answer for question number 2. This is for your question number 1. Alright, so this is the way how you deal with addition and subtraction. We are going to see exercise later. But before that, I will continue with the videos of multiplication and also division in a second video. Okay, thank you class.